Hey toy fans, this time I have for you a LEGO City 2015 set. This is 60074, ages 6 to 12. From the construction range of LEGO toys, it is the awesome looking bulldozer. And here is the whole set constructed. We do have some smaller pieces with this set. We have the dynamite with the timed clock on it. We have the jackhammer and we have the wheelbarrow as well. We have a danger explosion sign. We do get a few extra pieces as well as rubble. And we have this section of a building that you can knock down. It is only held on by a few studs, so if you crash into this it will fall over. We do have two minifigures with this. We have the female construction worker, and she is holding this hammer, which is actually taller than she is. It looks very, very heavy. And our second minifigure is the bulldozer driver. And here it is, guys, the main thing itself, the dozer. I love this. Look how cool this is. This is one of the LEGO sets that I really did want to review. And now I have it, I am so impressed. You get the massive front portion to the dozer, and you can actually lift that up as well. You have hydraulic arms at the top there. You can lift it up, you just put your thumb underneath. You can do it with one finger. That is so cool. Love the front end as well, it looks very meaty. And we get these moving tracks as well, which is always really nice to have. And they move really well because there are rubber wheels inside, and those do help to move those tracks along. Here is the top. We have the exhaust system there at the top, and if you take the front glass windshield portion off, you can fit your minifigure inside, and there are two operating levers inside there. And when you put him back in, all you need to do is push that back into place and you are good to go. We have a chain at the back, and we also have this device with two forks on it. It does look very mean. I wouldn't like to get on the wrong side of that. It is one fierce looking piece of machinery. But that is the dozer, guys, and as I say, it is such an impressive thing. So there it is, guys. This toy is amazing. I love the construction machinery with these LEGO sets. They always do a really good job of them, and this has to be my favourite so far. So this has to get two massive thumbs up from Toy Review TV. Well, toy fans, as always, thanks for dropping in and watching this LEGO review, and I will catch you here next time on Toy Review TV.